Identity Enforcer Multi-Level Granting, Assigning, and Revoking Overview. Identity Enforcer's multi-level granting function makes it possible to have more than one level of granting for asset and virtual privileges. This can be configured independently for both assigning and revoking of privileges. In fulfilling a request, you can configure specific responsibilities for each grantor at each level. Once a request is fully approved through workflow, it becomes available for granting. To configure a grantor, start at the Avatier Identity Management product tree and expand Identity Enforcer. Expand the Resource branch and locate the resource that contains the asset or virtual privilege to configure. Once a privilege is selected, under Actions, select either Grantor Assign or Revoke Privilege, depending on the case. To add a grantor, enter a user ID or group and select Add to populate the Grantor list. The checkboxes next to the items in the Grantor list lets you remove grantors from the step. The Grantor Options determine what a grantor can see and do to the request. These options vary depending on whether an asset or virtual privilege is configured. Here you set what a grantor views along with required and modifiable items. Set a Remind After interval to send grantors a reminder when work is pending. Recipient options enable you to require a recipient's acknowledgement of a grantor's action and allows the recipient to reject granted items. To add more grantors, select Add a Grantor step, repeat the process, and specify the next conditions. For more on multi-level granting, visit Avatier's Support Wiki.